Hi. I'm sorry, I know it's been a while, but I just got a like PR package from JOANN's. We're gonna open it. Alright, so first of all, handwritten note. It says, here's a little handmade happiness. Kelsie, we hope you enjoy this care package. In case you need some inspiration, we've included a free pattern from Tony Lipsy. Happy crafting, your friend from JOANN. Hashtag handmade with JOANN. Oh my god. This is the free pattern. It's from TL Yarn Crafts. I follow her on Instagram. She's really cool. She also has a YouTube, I believe. But they sent me her summertime tank pattern. Love it. Thank you. Diving in a little deeper. Yarn. Okay, so I already started, but I'm sorry. I'm gonna give you some backstory. I have been blowing up on TikTok recently. In the last month, I went from 200K to 850K. One of my videos has like 42 million views. Crazy. I've been getting a lot of emails from businesses reaching out, wanting to do collabs. And I woke up one morning, I looked at my phone, I got an email from somebody at JOANN's corporate, and I was like, is this real? I pretty much buy all of my yarn for my business at JOANN's. I use all Lily Sugar and Cream for my tops specifically. So I'm at JOANN's like constantly. I love shopping there. It's great. So whenever they emailed me and they asked me to send, they asked for my address so that they could send me a care package, I was like, oh my god, yes, I'm so excited. But they didn't tell me what was going to be in it, and this is so much more than I thought it was going to be, and I'm really excited. But let's get on with it. So they sent me 2 of these, and the color is Felicity. It's like really pretty. It's like really pretty pinks and browns, mandala ombre. So they sent me 2 of those. This is freaking soft. I've used this yarn before. I love this yarn. It's 100% acrylic, and it is crazy soft. It works up really nice in my knitting machine. Perfect for hats, especially. Okay, they sent me 2 more. But this one is in the color Cool, and it is grayscale ombre. Here it is. Beautiful and lovely. So yeah, that's the yarn that they sent me. I didn't know they were gonna send me yarn. They literally just said like some items and some merch, and I was like, yeah, I'll take whatever. Just send me. I don't care. Anything from you, JOANN. Anything from you. Okay, so next they sent me this little JOANN's bag. Cute, functional. Okay. It's very shiny. A notebook. Lined, 192 pages, nice and flexible, perfect for writing crochet patterns in. Okay. They also sent me this little phone wallet thingy. Sticker for the back of your phone, and it can hold credit cards. Honestly, I would probably put like my business card in it. Yeah, but that's exciting. More more JOANN's merch. This JOANN's coaster. JOANN's coaster, as well as a JOANN's pen. The coaster is like non-slip on the bottom, which is perfect because my desk is made of glass. And this is the only coaster I have. I need another one. Perfect. Okay, so they sent me a little package of yarn needles, some scissors, and stitch markers. Here we are. Beautiful. I always need these things. I'm so happy to have them. Also, the stitch markers come in 4 different sizes. Yes, they're my favorite kind of stitch markers. They're like the little safety pin kind. I love those. And last but not least, JOANN's did their freaking research because they sent me my favorite crochet hook of all time, the Clover Amour 5mm crochet hook. I literally have mine sitting right here on my desk. This one was getting a little wibbly wobbly, so I was thinking about buying a new one because I've been using it for like 2 years now. This is the only hook that I use because it's my favorite, and I will never use a different hook ever again since I bought it from the first time. So they sent me another one and I'm so excited. But literally, I was literally at JOANN's. I literally went shopping and I did a little yarn haul at JOANN's this morning, and then I drove home, checked my mailbox because I got an email that said I had a package. So I went and picked it up from my Amazon thing, and it was that, and I was like, oh my god. I was so excited. Basically, I'm famous now. No, I'm not famous. I'm not famous. But I am creeping up towards 1 million followers on TikTok, and that's crazy. But yeah, I've been really busy. I've been working crazy on orders. I hit around 80 orders, so I had to turn off my custom orders. Now I have worked it down to 60, so I'm gonna continue working all through. I mean, I work every day. But this was great. This was awesome. I can't believe that someone at JOANN's noticed me, first of all, liked my content, and sent me free stuff. I'm dead. I texted my dad like immediately. I was like, Dad, look what JOANN sent me. Okay, well, we'll put this down. So yeah. So I'm sorry. Orders are my priority, I want to tell you guys, because my business is really important to me, and orders are definitely my priority because I need to get them done and I need to get them shipped out to people's homes. But I do love you guys on YouTube. Thank you so much for 35,000 subscribers. Yay. I know a lot of you came from my TikTok, but I do have more tutorials coming, I promise. I don't have the time at the moment, but they're coming. I promise they're coming. I don't know how I'm gonna put this on my phone with my pop socket. Okay. Anyway, yes, I love you guys. Thank you so much for 35,000 subscribers. If you're new, subscribe. I promise I have more tutorials coming, like I said, but I am really busy right now, and you'll know whenever I post a tutorial. Okay, well, I hope this turned out to be a good video. I literally was just so excited about getting the package. I just like turned on my camera and I was like, I should film this. I guess does this count as like a PR package? Is this my first PR package? They did not ask me to post about it on my Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. They were just like, hey, we really like your stuff. We want to send you a free box. And I was like, yes, please. So, am I famous? No. Once more, I love you guys. I'm gonna post this for you. I'm working on tutorials. That's it. Thank you, goodbye.